Children, in non-linear motion, as you know that object does not travel in a straight line, we studied the two types of non-linear motion, that is oscillatory motion and the circular motion. In oscillatory motion, object moves to and fro, while in circular motion, object moves along a circular path. Now, the next type of motion that we are going to study is the periodic motion. Children, keep in mind whatever the examples we had studied of the oscillatory motion and circular motion, all these examples we can relate with the periodic motion. Are you getting? We can relate it with the periodic motion. So, the motion of an object which passes through a certain point again and again after a fixed period is called the periodic motion. Whatever the direction of the motion is not considered here. Herein, in periodic motion, important thing is that object moves from a certain point after a fixed period. After a fixed period of time, object moves, and that's why it is called as a periodic motion. What is periodic motion? The motion of an object which passes through a certain point again and again after a fixed period is called a periodic motion. For example, hands of a clock. Hands of a clock, they are taking the same time to move from one place to another. 1, 2, 3 means 60 seconds is required for 1 minute, and that's why whenever it is completing its hour, it is taking 60 minutes all the time. So means the period is fixed for its movement. Okay, that is called as a periodic motion. Some more examples of the periodic motion you can take the giant wheel. When the giant wheel is moving round and round, from its particular position when it starts, it is coming back to its original place once, twice or thrice, but it takes the same time for its complete motion. Okay, that is called the periodic motion. Flapping of the wings. If they are taking the same time for completing its motion, that is called as a periodic motion. So, sometimes when we talk about any movement, that is a oscillatory motion or circular motion, that motion of an object may be circular, periodic. For example, motion of the earth around the sun. It is circular, but it is periodic also. How can we say it is periodic? Because it takes particular time to complete its one round around the sun. Okay, 365 days. So, therein we have to keep in mind that whenever the object is moving, maybe round and round in a circular path, or to and fro movement, that is oscillatory motion is there, but if it takes the fixed period to come to its original place, then we say that it is a periodic motion. Okay. Now, next type of motion is a random motion. Random motion is a motion that changes its direction and speed continuously. See, it is different one. Random motion cannot be the periodic motion. Okay, because it is changes its direction along with the speed continuously. As it is changing its speed, it will not take the fixed period of time for completing its one round, as it is changing the direction also, moving wherever it wants to go, and that's why it will not be the periodic motion. Random motion is different, where object changes its direction and speed continuously. Example, observe the picture. We are finding a boy playing with the ball. When he kicks the ball, ball moves in any direction and accordingly the child is also moving. So it is a random motion. Here is the motion of a girl or the butterfly. The girl is trying to chase the butterfly. She is moving towards the butterfly. She wants to chase that butterfly and that's why she is moving. The butterfly is moving from flower to flower, that is not in a particular direction. Anywhere she is moving with changing its speed, and that's why it is also called as the random motion. The motion of a players in a game of a football, the motion of a crawling baby, a child, small child, when they wander, move here and there or play, at that time motion is a which type of motion? It is the random motion. Or a wandering animals that are going here and there, that a dog you find that moves here and there without any particular direction and speed, that is called as a random motion. Okay, so these are the various examples of random motion. The motion that changes its direction and speed continuously is a random motion. Now just I want to revise the types of motion that we studied. We studied the linear motion and a non-linear motion. In linear motion, object moves in a straight line. Two types of linear motion: uniform linear motion, non-uniform linear motion. Next is non-linear motion, where object does not move in a straight line. There are 4 types of non-linear motion. One is oscillatory motion, then periodic motion, circular motion, and random motion. About other part of this lesson, that is speed, we will see in the next period. Okay.